Dogs are creatures that they have so many talents, and I think that's what always interested me. I went to school to find out more about dogs. I went and got a degree in dogs and dog training and kennel management, and also in detection work, how dogs are used for police and military, how dogs are used in so many different capacities. There's so many happy things, so many happy moments. Number one is playing, getting out and just playing and training with the dogs. We have a lot of fun. Just being around so many different sizes and types and personalities of dogs. It's a lot of fun.